Okay, so um, when you're not able to open a file, you simply, for example, this is Thailand, this is all from Video Edits 3. So you simply see these are the folders which are imported here, and once I click on this, keep it selected, and I bring it here and drop it here, it makes a sequence. Okay, so I'm going to Control Z that. Okay, so for example, if you're having trouble with some file, you simply go and like on this side, just double click here to open, and because it's in the same folder, so for example you were saying you're having trouble with the Turkey files, you go to that and import. Simple. So now you see you have two of these, and once you've imported this, you simply go and drop it here and you have a sequence. So that's how you add the files that I share with you guys on the sequence if you're having problem and if it's not connected or connecting. So basically the project file is the file which is this. So I'm keeping two project files. One is Video Edits 3v1 renders, for example, and this is for me, so you don't need to touch this one, just work on this one and share this file with me as it is, because here you see it's keeping a backup of these files, a previews of these files. So though all these files including projects files should not be saved anywhere else but this folder. As for the renders, you can always create a folder called render, for example, and say renders, and then the same names of these can go, like just the folder names can go, and put all the render files in that. So that too is up to you guys. Okay, so that's like a short one just to give you an idea on if you're having problem how to import these files here and clear them. As for the sound, because we don't have any sound, so just a quick one, control all of them by selecting, like keep the mouse clicked, select all, or control A, select all, and then control L. So you see there they seem to be control Z, there's a line here, and you press control L there, sorry, there's a line here and a line here. When you press control L, this is separate now, so I can move it around. So in case if you want to, and when you want to remove the audio, so you simply select this, control L, and then just select the bottom, just the bottom, and delete. So that's how you remove the audio. In this scenario, what I've done is I've locked and closed the audio, and these are the files in all of the projects which you don't need to touch at all. Or sometimes you'll see what you just saw. This is because the files are huge, or if it's a new external, so it takes a little time to load, especially in the start. So once you give it some time, like 10 minutes maybe to load, then it's gonna be okay. So yeah, so this is a short tutorial about how to import files into Premiere and how to basically drop them here as new item to create a new sequence, and how to delete the audio in case, and little what some things. So this one is the one I brought in, I think. Control Z, data. So we want to find where the file is, reveal in project, it opens, and now I know, okay, this is the extra one that I brought in. When you're deleting it, it goes. Okay, and for all sequence, this is the sequence and this is the folder, and you can also create a folder from here, or yeah. So yeah.